What's up, family? It's Jeff from Skins and Fins and Outdoors. It is currently 4:59 in the morning. Anytime you're up there early, it only means one thing. We're either go hunting or fishing, one or the other. I hope I sound a little bit excited because today me and my dad were generously offered the opportunity to go fishing with one of his friends, Joey, down in Macon, Georgia at Lake Tobosoffke. So last time we went fishing with him, he took us out to Lake Sinclair and we had a great day. Hopefully we can have another day just like that. I'll tune in with y'all later. All right, guys, so we just got to Macon. It took us just over about an hour and a half to get here. We stopped by this live bait convenience store, picked up some snacks. Joey's gonna pick up the minnows and we're gonna get on the water. All right, guys, we're finally here. We made it to Lake Tobosoffke. Is that how you Tobosoffke? Something like that. As you can see, it is a beautiful lake. It's huge. They got like 6 different boat ramps, and then of course the marina over there. And here's my dad, special guest right here.
Yeah. One time.
No, okay. Anyways, I'll think about editing that out, but we'll see later on when it comes.
One time. That's Joey.
But there goes Joey pulling up right up there at the end. So I guess we're gonna put the boat in the water, and we'll get back with y'all a little bit later. All right, guys, we're on the lake. We got the rods loaded, rods on standby. We done fired and we have hit. Joey got the first one, I got the second one. Back of the boat slacking a little bit, but we got faith in them. We got faith in them. I think they're gonna pull together. I think we're in for a nice one. Yeah, they over here watching.
They done missed, I don't know how many watching.
Beautiful fish.
Yeah. Let me let you back. I said, well, let me watch somebody who catching fish. And then I go get in the bite.
Oh, that's good. That was him, man.
That was him.
Smile at you when you come by.
I got my back.
Yeah, he smiled at you when you come by. Man, you been fishing all around that spot right there.
All right. I can't even get it. Well, I keep saying I ain't getting a lot. I went two. And I was bring it
I don't know, Dad. I don't know what to tell you.
You know the only good thing about this is that I'm on
That is true.
You caught something.
All right, guys, we're done with the first spot out here at what we say it was?
Lake Oconee.
Lake Oconee. I like to say that we didn't do bad, but I think it'd be better to say that we did pretty good for the first spot. So yeah, not anywhere near Macon. It's definitely up there near Greensboro. right, guys, it's 11:37. I'd like to say we had a pretty good day of fishing. Would you like to say that too? A pool full of fish. Me and Joey definitely showed them how to fish. You know, they tried to come back towards the end, but we definitely put that wings and things with hot honey mustard on them, 2 ranches, no Zax sauce. All right, that's what we did. But I'd like to thank Joey for taking us.
Any day, buddy, any day.
We had a blast out here. Peace out.